just genuinely like learning new things. Learning how to help people is genuinely just what drives me to go into the medical field. I chose the instrument flute because my sister used to play it, and so she kind of just handed it down to me.
Stephen Flores Sanchez, our graduate spotlight for Manvel High School, plays both the flute and the piccolo.
It really has been fun to see him every single year get better, every single semester, every single program that we work on. He definitely plays better every single time he comes into class.
It was family who introduced him to the instrument, but he became band captain in the MHS Mighty Maverick Band, and he feels a close camaraderie with those he plays with.
Like, I'm so comfortable around them that I feel like they're practically like my cousins or family.
Family is important to Sanchez, especially after losing his mother when she passed away during his junior year.
Sometimes you have to go through things to be able to learn and adapt to it. My mom was the reason I have taken difficult courses because she always wanted me to get a post-secondary education since she wasn't given that opportunity along with my father. I'd be a first generation Mexican American, go to university and pursue like 4 years, but I'll be the first to earn my associate's and hopefully the first to earn a bachelor's degree.
He will be continuing his education at Penn State University, where he will be a psychology major.
Having the ability to help people, walk them through like what they're going through in life and finding ways to solve that.
Sanchez has solved the way to juggle a hectic schedule of courses, trying to earn his certification as a certified medical assistant and perfecting his craft on his instruments.
He's basically the model student that we want all of our kids to model after, and I think he has a lot of accomplishments and a lot of fun because he has been really diligent and has tried his absolute hardest to do what we ask so that he can be a really good musician.
His strongest attribute is probably his dedication to everything he does, and so whatever it is that he's doing, he gives it 100%, and that's a quality that's going to serve him well throughout his life.
A lot of students are struggling with just their regular high school classes, and he's able to juggle all of this and still be successful.
Plenty has happened during his high school career, but he's always been able to hit the right note.
I've just been so used to coming to school for 4 years, seeing the same people over and over again. I honestly can't believe that some of them I'm not going to see again. So it'll honestly be kind of sad for me to leave.